A whole governor complaining that they want to kill him, that they want to slice him if him governor doesn't save. I know you guys are watching this thing. If him governor doesn't save, then nobody else that save. Say every time Fulani headmen, they're always killing us. They're always doing it. They're always slicing us. They always kill us. They always kill us. They always kill us. And you see? You see? You hear Yaran? You know Yaran? You hear? They started killing in the night. Our people, we can hear this. Jojoni be hear this. What they call Shemo for hear this. Piggy hear this. Asare Tokumbo. Small Ikla hear this. You see? This one, he doesn't know what he's saying because the magic this one see, he cannot say anything again. They cannot broadcast with this. They cannot sit down and analyze this. All they can analyze now the Kanu issue. Now you go kill them for head. They cannot say this. Half Fulani take kill their people. Half Fulani take slice their people. Finish the whole village. They cannot discuss about this one. All they can do about the Kanu, make thunder strike all of them. You hear them? You hear them? You hear them? All the bad people that that carry people, then they slice them. Then they kill them. That person go tell you, say, if they want to dominate us, this one want to dominate us. Please, don't listen to all those motherfucker people. Those people, they don't know what they are doing. After they don't smoke our shit's finished, they will call live video, call they talk nonsense, call they talk bullshit. I'm telling you, after they don't smoke their marijuana finish, they will call live video because government don't give them money, give them house. They give them 325 euro every month. They feel like, yeah, what you can do? That is the life. As they are giving them money to eat, give them house. This is the life of the way Nnamdi Kanu said our people must live. If you don't have a job, then we'll be giving you money. Then we'll be feeding you, giving you a house. This is what Nnamdi Kanu said it must take place. This is what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. If somebody in a wheelchair, a soldier was profando that person. In Europe here, they have, if you take a bus here in Europe, a wheelchair man have a place where he's supposed to sit down in a bus. A pregnant woman have a place to sit down in a bus, then draw it there. This is not writing it, you don't understand. Then we draw it there, you will see. People that carry children, then draw it there. If you carry anything there, you sit there. Then that woman that carry baby there, he urge you to leave that place. You will stay there because that is their position. Boss we enter here in Europe. The wheelchair people have the place where they can sit down. They will change their wheelchair to the bus so that they cannot go and fall down. They respect them more than you that have complete body. Look at Nigeria. They are beating a wheelchair. Even I don't know the tribe that person be, whether na Fulani, if Fulani hurts me be. But I know that is not Fulani hurts me. You see what our soldier is doing. They cannot protect us. They cannot go and fight Fulani herdsmen. They can fight civilians. People that are working to have their own daily bread. Do soldiers have power to shoot them? They don't have power to shoot Fulani herdsmen. They don't have power. A sheikh, he said they know where the Fulani herdsmen they are living. In Edo State, he said the soldier know where they are living in Edo State. In Igbo land, he said they know where they are staying in Biafra land. In Oduduwa land, he said they know where they are living. To say the truth, why they are not trusting them? Why it be saying on our side? Our eastern region side, neither they bring their soldier. Neither they deploy their soldier. Neither they recruit soldier too. Why they don't bring them to northern side where Fulani they drive people come on for house? Drive people come on for their own and slice all everybody. Why they don't carry people to that place? Soldier to that place. The zoo soldier. Why be saying our land that they bring them come? My dear, go and join IPOB. Go and join Eastern Security Network and protect your land. Protect your life. All those are our leaders. I see many of our sisters in social media. How this one take go feel where you are. How this one take go open Kwekus. How the other one take the fuck married woman. Neither they come and they talk for social media. You see the madness when they are saying it, you see the madness in them. Let enter saga, a whole man, a married woman, a married man, I mean, a family man, a grown-up man. Come to social media, let's start the saga. If they cry like person who they craze. I know some of them, they have already declared crazy, they give them the injection for madness already. You will see 2,000, 2 points, something. They watch them. You see your Monica when be say life no better for her. He no fit come social media and say what is taking place in his own land is not fair. They should stop killing people, raping people. You will see them when they are online. You will see people. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point will be watching them. Saying nonsense, saying people, now so this one, now so he carry a peninsula, go meet Johnny Waka. Now so Johnny Waka come carry Kwekus, come put for ring road. And you will see our brothers, sisters, they want to hear. They will be typing, they will be writing. They will be typing, you will see 2 point something. You will see 3 point something. Some of them even pay. They cannot talk anything that going on in their land that this one is not good. Please, let's be one. None of them saying it. You will see our people will subscribe, they will be there. What are you talking? If you want me, I show you. You will be saying all this rubbish they are saying. You will see our people, they will be online. They will be online, be listening to all those tonteria. How do men stay for the other one? How Monica take open Kwekus? How Monica husband no the peninsula not they rise again? You will see people, you will see our people, they will be online. They will be online. They will be online. All those useless talk. Then they look for a hookup. You will see our people, they will be online. Then we see who they bring breasts or social media, they shake hands for them. They will be online. You will see them. You will see 4 points. You will see 5 points. Our own that are fighting for freedom. You will not get reach 100. They don't have time to listen. Don't think they never kill you. They never kill Fulani, never kill your family. They never kill your mother. They never rape your daughter. They never rape your wife. That is not taking place. Don't reason like that. And don't wait. Don't let this thing happen to you before you will find solution to it. Don't say that your sister come that day, not die. Not in midtown.